Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to fix TikTok profile view missing. So if your TikTok profile view is missing, such that you cannot see who visited your TikTok profile page and I want to fix this, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to fix TikTok profile view missing, all you just need to do is go ahead and open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you open the TikTok app, locate and click on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then, literally, you should have this button here showing TikTok profile views. But if that is missing in your case, what you just need to do is go ahead and click on the menu icon at the top right. Now, once you click on the menu icon at the top right, you'll see the menu pops. On the menu, locate and click on Settings and Privacy, and this will take you to your TikTok Settings and Privacy page. On the TikTok Settings and Privacy page, locate and click on Privacy. Then, under Privacy, scroll down the page, and then locate and click on Profile Views. Then once you click on that, go ahead and turn on Profile View History. Then this will allow you to see those that visited your TikTok profile page in the past 30 days. And they will also see that you visited their profile page if you do. And then if you come back to your TikTok profile page, you refresh the page. And then click on the Profile View button at the top right, just beside the menu button. Then you should see a list of people that visited your TikTok profile page in the past 30 days. You see that? So that is basically how to fix TikTok profile view missing on your account. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.